And welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures, all you wild campers and walkers. Are you sitting comfortably? Then I'll begin. 'Twas a few days before Christmas. We travelled by car. It was a good hour of driving, but in miles not that far. To Covehithe we ventured, with Christmas in the air, in hopes that Tom Outdoors and the real travelling amigo would be there. As usual we arrived early, but the others ran late, so we tucked into lunch and chatted while we ate. There was still time to spare. Let's visit the old ruin. St Andrew's Church loomed while the cold wind blew in. Anglican, grade 1 listed and dressed with stone. It's always times like these we wish we had a drone. The old church was too costly for the locals to maintain. They built a new one inside, whilst the original was to remain. A mixed bag of history, what an amazing place. Hopefully the others will arrive soon, with haste. Oh look, a Nissan Pixo, resplendent in silver, filled to the brim with 2 YouTubers inside her. We headed towards Ben Acres to recce a good spot. So many people, we thought we'd have to abandon the lot. We soon ventured south, away from the crowd, stumbling across a baby seal, fat and fluffy like a cloud. Washed in with the tide, we were all very concerned. The little pup seemed happy. He waved, then he turned. A quick chat with the RSPCA. All was as it should be, so we went on our way. The crowd thinned out, the camp spots looked good. We were soon set up and ready for some food. Tom and Luke spent time decorating their tents, while Bad Hair Adventures dug out their presents. 4 matching beards with red Santa hats, we were certainly Christmassy, even if we did look like twats. Cake, pigs and blankets, what a wonderful spread. All that mulled cider went straight to my head. Campfire and chat, we were all feeling festive. The dog ate a sandy sausage, which wasn't digestive. It came up in one, without any warning. But then she seemed fine, so we stayed on till morning. Up early with the sunrise, red, orange and yellow. Such beautiful coastline, the sea calm and mellow. We packed up quickly, not wanting to get caught. The joys of wild camping just cannot be bought. Packs full, dog dressed, we were ready to go. But we'd quite forgotten that Tom can be slow. So we sat, drank coffee, watched the world go by. A few people walked past and called out to us, hi. With Tom finally packed and no trace left behind, we all filmed our walk out with good angles in mind. Luke raced ahead to get to the trail. We trudged up the beach, not far off his tail. The footpath was busy and a bit of a climb. Lots of indecisive people having a whine. Finally onto the path and more than on our way. There's not much else to add apart from to say, stay safe, be well and all the best for next year. Subscribe, click the bell and give us a cheer. 4 wild campers, a dog, what a crazy sight. Happy Christmas to all and to all a good night.
Okay guys, so that's the wild camp over. I want to thank Tom from Tom Outdoors and Luke from the Real Travelling Amigos for joining us. Do check out their channels. We had a very lovely time. I hope you appreciate the video. Get the likes and comments. Subscribe if you want. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.